जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम you to the PMA समाचार channel from the international world. Andorra is a sovereign landlocked micro-state on the Iberian Peninsula in the Eastern Pyrenees, bounded by France to the north and Spain to the south. Believed to have been created by Charles, Andorra was ruled by the Count of Urgell until 988 when it was transferred of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Urgell. Andorra-India relations have been dominated by Spanish influence. There is no consulate embassy of India in Andorra, rather it is directed by Madrid. Ladakh border, India said took Chinese army removed from 8 fingers. There is no force of language on new education system. HRD Minister Nisang. Sacraments, CM Yogi will go to Ayodhya for Ram Mandir. Worship's work is going on or not. Environment. The death of the Pandu River. The source of Pandu River Lake in Farakabad. The river runs for around 120 kilometers and meet at the Ganga Fatehpur. Invention, remote control. In electronics, remote control or clicker is an electronic device used to operate another device from a distance, usually wirelessly. For an example, in consumer electronics, remote control can be used to operate devices such as a television set, DVD player, or other home appliance from a short distance. A remote control is primarily a convenience feature for the user and can allow operation of devices that are out of convention reach for direct operations of controls. Great person Phanishwar Nath Renu was born on 19th 21. He was one of the most successful and influential writer of modern Hindi literature in the most Premchand era. He is the author of Mela Anchal, which after Premchand's Garden is regarded as the most significant Hindi novel. Phanishwar Nath Renu is best known for promoting the voice of the contemporary rural India through the genre of Anchalik Upanyas and is placed amongst the pioneering Hindi writers who brought regional voices into the mainstream Hindi literature. State. History of Manipur. The history of Manipur is reflected by archaeological research, mythology, and written history. However, with the finding of old lost Puya called Akolon, Hilal Thilai, Salail Amalol, Pukok, Puya, which was written around 3098 BCE, are chiefs of India, New Delhi. At the time of Mong Gyama, the kings of Kanglepek need to be updated since ancient times. The Meitei people have lived in the valleys of Manipur alongside the highlanders in the hills and valley in peace. Crops. The chili peppers from Nahuatl chili is the fruit of plants from the genus Capaceum, which are members of the nightshade family Solanaceae. Chili peppers were widely used in many cuisines as a spices to add heats. To dish. Fruits. Cucumber is a widely cultivated creeping vine plant in the Cucurbitaceae ground family that bears cucumbiform fruits which are used as vegetables. There are 3 main varieties of cucumber: slicking, pickling, and purpley seedless, within which several cultivators have been created. Flowers. Marigold. Tagatus is a genus of annual or perennial, mostly herbaceous plant in the sunflower family. It was described as a genus of Carl Linnaeus. In 1753, the genus is native to south of Mexico, but some species have been naturalized around the world. Yoga, Ashtanga. The eight limbs of yoga is Patanjali's classification of classical yoga as set up in his Yoga Sutra. He defined the eight limbs as yama, niyama, asana, pranayam, pratyahara, dharana and dhyan and samadhi. The eight limbs form a sequence from the outer to the inner. Postures important in modern yoga from one limbs of Patanjali's scheme. He states only that they must be steady and comfortable. Universe, an earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth resulting from a sudden release of energy in earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes can range in size from those that are so big that they cannot be felt to those violent enough to propel objects and people into the air and bring destruction across entire cities. The seismicity or seismic activity of an area is the frequency, type and size of earthquakes experienced over a period of time. The word tremor is also used for non-earthquake seismic rumbling. Mathematics, accounting or accountancy is the measurement, processing and communication of financial and non-financial information about economic entities such as businessman and corporation. Accounting, which has been called the language of business, measures the result of an organization's economic activities and conveys this information to a variety of users including investors, creditors, management and regulators. Practitioners for accounting are known as accountants. The terms accounting and financial reporting are often used as synonyms. Ayurveda, Asafoetida, also spelled Asafoetida, is the dried latex extruded from the rhizome or taproot of several species of Ferula perennial herbs growing 1 to 1.5 meter tall. They are part of the Cerealia family Umbellifera. Notably, Asafoetida is thought to be in the same genus as Silphidium, a North African plant now believed to be extinct, and was used as cheaper substitute from that historically important herb from classical antiquity. Education from Prima Look Mission School. The girls of Prima Look Mission School making Rakhi and captive in their hands. Village town Rishikesh is a city in the northern Indian state of Uttarakhand in the Himalayan foothills beside the Ganges river. The river is considered holy and the city is renowned as center for studying yoga and meditation. Temples and ashrams line the eastern bank around a traffic-free, alcohol-free Swarg ashram and vegetarian enclave upstream from Rishikesh town. Today's event. 1678, Robert Lashley builds the Loch Griffin, the first known ship built on the Great Lakes. 1859, the American Dental Association is founded in Niagara Falls, New York. 1900, the Firestone Tire and Rubber Company is founded. World War I in 1914, Germany declares war against France while Romania declares its neutrality. Some regions of UP in 3 hours alert of rain. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 29 degrees Celsius. Gangotri is a town and a Nagar Panchayat in Utkashi district in the state of Uttarakhand, India. It is a Hindu pilgrimage town on the banks of the river Bhagirathi and origin of the river Ganga cities, one on the greater Himalayan range at a height of 3,100 meters. According to popular Hindu legend, it was there that goddess Ganga descended when Lord Shiva released the mighty river from the locks of his hairs. Today is for that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. Maa Bharati ki jai.
Om Dyoh Shantirantariksha Om Shantih Prithvi Shantirapah शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः